Alright guys, today I'm going to do a full unboxing and review on my 3-in-1 laser tape measure. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. Oh, very cool. That's what it looks like right out of the box. Feels pretty heavy duty. Type-C charger. And then the user guide right there. So let's go ahead and actually check this out. Very cool. So let's go ahead and actually power this on. Let's actually see some of the things about it. So if you wanted to charge it, you have this Type-C port right here. So very convenient to have there. What I really like is that this is a 5-meter self-locking measuring tape. So as you can see, you don't actually have to push anything. It literally just locks to wherever you leave it. Then just push it back and then it'll retract super easy. This one also does do laser distance meter. It does up to 60 meters. So we'll go ahead and actually show that. So we'll go ahead and turn this back on. All right. And then I'll go ahead and show it just back here so you can kind of see it. And then if you hit this button one more time, it'll measure from where you're at to that laser. And it'll tell you right there what it'll be. And if you just hold it for a couple seconds, and there it is on, and it'll start giving to you in real time what that distance actually is. Very cool, very easy to use. I wanted to give you a closer look of what the display looks when it's measuring in real time. I wanted to show that you can measure in inches, fraction of an inch. It'll do meters, and it'll also measure in feet as well. It also does have some advanced features on this tool. It'll do volume mode, Pythagorean mode, and angle mode. These can be super handy if you need to measure something you can't reach, or if you need to check a tilt or an incline surface, perfect for ramps or roofs. This can do that as well. You can also measure the length, width, and height. It'll calculate the volume for you, great for storage or room planning. These features make this tool way more than just a basic laser. It's like having a measuring toolbox in your hand. If you wanted to activate the laser crosshair, so we'll just push this button right here. And as you can see, there it is on. As you can see, super easy to move through all the different options that it has. And as you can see, when you have it activated, this will start changing in real time. So it's really cool, really easy to use. You can see it's super easy to move through all the options that it has. So if I just wanted to go back, there it is. If you guys are looking for a new tape measure, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.